County. Come on, y'all can do better than that. Good morning, DeKalb County. I bring you greetings on behalf of the Georgia State Conference of the NAACP. I'm Attorney Gerald Griggs, the 13th President. I also bring you greetings on behalf of our Chairman, Leon Russell, and our President and CEO, Derek Johnson. We are fired up and ready to go. You know, when I travel this state, I think of all of the units of the state conference. I think of the 3.3 million African Americans, but primarily I think about the 2.2 million African Americans that are registered to vote. And this election, both in May and in November, are the most consequential elections of our lifetime. So let's be clear in our charge. I not only bring you greetings, but I bring you the charge. We are all in on this election in Georgia. The eyes of the nation, the eyes of the world are on Georgia. And I know because of the work of units like the DeKalb County NAACP, we will show up for black and brown folks and all of Georgia when we send a message not only to Georgia, but to the rest of the country. Get your hands off our voting rights. Take your hands off women's reproductive rights. You will not erase our history. We will not go one step back. And we are here. We are ready. And we are focused. Because let's be clear. We did it in 2018. We did it in 2020. We turned around and did it again in 2021. We did it again in 2022. Took a little break, 2023. And now we're fired up and ready to go in 2024. So let's be clear what's going to happen in 2024. In 2020 and 2022, Georgia turned black. I'm going to say that again. It didn't turn blue, it turned black. And as I travel this state, from the coast to the mountains, from the rural population to the urban population, I hear one charge. Black folks have, will, and will continue to defend this democracy. So whether it's in a courtroom in Fulton County or it's in a ballot box in Lowndes County, we're going to send a message. The charge I give to one of the best branches in the NAACP is this. Y'all know y'all turn out to vote. So let's show the rest of the state how we turn out to vote. I'm Attorney Gerald Griggs, the 13th President of the Georgia State Conference, and we are fired up, ready to go, and we all in for November. Thank you.